In today's lesson, there are a few things that we will be working with. The first is a background. By right-clicking and bringing up this menu, you can go to the background and choose your color. You can also move and resize shapes by clicking and dragging. You'll notice that the menu pops up after you've selected a shape. Once you've moved a shape, you can fill it by going up to the Fill Color paint bucket. I've chosen gradients for my snowman. You can also move and rotate shapes using this handlebar right here. And when you put on your arms, you can change the width and the color like so. See how thick you can go?